Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna be bringing you guys with me. We're gonna be shopping at Ikea and we're gonna be getting some stuff for the shop. We're doing some renovations, so we want to make sure we bring a pop of color to our shop. So what better place to come to than to Ikea? So we are here to get some possible frames, and hopefully we find some frames that we want. And check this out, look at the shirt that I'm wearing. This one is actually from Start Donut. If you haven't checked it out yet, go ahead and check it out. And he's also wearing one from Start Donut as well, but I'll go ahead and link the website on my description box. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Huh? Let me just, oh, this is like the showroom. That's pretty cool. I don't know what this is. Nice. Lo sigue donde quiera.
I know, seriously.
This is pretty cool. It has a bunch of stuff. And it has, this is actually the showroom area, so it has a bunch of stuff to help. Like all the showrooms and stuff. And people are gonna watch me. This is nice. This is to give you ideas, huh?
Yeah.
Do you want me to ask her where they have? Otro this. Look at all those cabinets. That's actually what we need.
What? Cabinet?
Like cabinets. Like those. What happened? What is that? Charger?
Yeah. I don't know if I ordered it online or something. You remember from my cabinet for my room right now?
Yeah? Where?
I don't know.
Bookcase, $19. Cute. Look at. There's nice. Yeah. Because then you build all these, huh? Look at this cute one. This one is actually only $99. Wow. Super cheap.
Building next to tree.
And then this one's super nice too. This one's $149. And this one, I believe, wow, it could be even like for wine. Super cute. Like this glass one is cute. Everything has a piece of separate, huh? This is $149. Really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. I guess when we
Found the first frame.
and we are only looking for frames, guys. So look, this one's $179. Not bad at all. This one's actually a little bit more expensive. This one's pretty tall, so cute. Very, very fancy. Oh yeah, and here's my favorite spot. The kitchens. Look at how modern these kitchens are.
That looks nice, huh?
Very, very nice. Look at the countertops. Wow. Very nice. And then I think you just pull this down. Bunch of space on here. What?
Should shoot a video.
I know. I should make a cooking video here. Why not? Welcome. Okay, so this is kitchen number 1. That one's a little too old school. This one's super cool. This one gives me more like old school vibes, but this one's still cute. You get that black one though. This one. This is just like a basic sink or something.
I'm gonna get my money's worth for these
Office spaces. One day I'll have my own office. Huge office. Nice and decorated. Something like this, huh? Like a lounge area. Like a nice little office. Like, that's cute. Like for my room, if anything. Not my room, but...
The dress?
Huh? Like the whole thing. The whole little setup. Like a little cute background or something. The smallest things ever.
I feel like these things like they sell the coolest things. What are this?
Phone holders?
Huh?
Phone holders?
Is it really?
I think so. $970, create your room. For bedroom, $970. Huh? Somebody looks like somebody already did. Look, this is nice. Oh, they decorated this room. Well, it looks like somebody had a little fun here. It's a nice little setup.
Look, it comes with clothes.
Nice. Oh, I thought it was somewhere. Oh, and then they have a restroom too. Nice. They give you like a full setup. A full living area.
Water pressure seems to be down.
And a nice little kitchen. Looks like New York apartments. Actual size.
The best thing about this is you can shower and watch TV at the same time if you try hard enough.
Alright, so pretty much because of COVID, we now have to wear masks. So it's getting hard to breathe, and I forgot how crazy and annoying they can be. But yeah, we're back at it again with the masks, but I'm still here. We're still here for you guys.
We have to run the course. Well, we don't have to run the course, but
have the full beds here. You want to try out the bed? Which one? This one? Oh, how much was this one?
About $179.
You build it?
Yep.
Uh-oh. They have a full on.
Yeah, mine doesn't look like that. I have that one, and then I have this one.
Oh, this one in the middle?
This one. This one my TV's on.
And then you just call them and then you load your car?
No, you go buy it, you load it yourself.
You take a sticker, a picture, or what?
Yeah, so at the very bottom they have another warehouse where there's all this stuff in bulk.
Oh.
And with this code, where's it at? There's a code.
Right here?
They all have a number. I can't see it. Like this
Template
one.
oversold.
This one, the number's right here. So with that number, you look it up downstairs on the computer, and you see if it's on stock, and then it tells you to go to what aisle and what row. There's more to this game. This is just the fun part. So you wanted to do your alcohol.
Alright, so this is where they have all the stuff on bulk already, where you can actually get the stuff and buy them. So pretty cool. So let's see what we find and let's see how we go about this, because they have a lot of little cool things. They have little candles here. These are pretty cool. How much are these?
Shop, 33 bucks.
33. Oh no, $2.99 for this.
30.
For 30. So that's very cool.
You should take them to the shop.
Yeah, so they can smell good.
People come and take it like that.
Yeah. More lights, more lights. Lamps, super cute and very different. If you want to put your own style, you have many options here. Look at that plaid one. Very cool. This is actually very peaceful. I think I would see a room that's like a yoga room or something like that with this. Very cool, very peaceful. Huh, babe? Yeah, yeah. Oh, look at these. This is more different.
This is gonna catch fire.
It's very cool. Very, very cool stuff that they have here. All right, keep walking.
Here we go.
Here are the babies that you were looking for. So we're looking for frames. So are you just gonna get one solid color for all of them, like black, or?
What color are these?
These are black.
Black, okay. So there should be some that are even cheaper than this.
There's some right here.
But those are $1.99.
Uh-huh.
There's some that are like 50 cents.
50 cents? Oh, these right here?
Let me see.
These are 50 cents.
Oh, heck yeah.
But you want to do them this little?
Yeah. How much are those down there?
Same thing.
How do you know? How much are these?
You want me to get one?
Yeah.
It looks like they're the same. Or not.
They're not the same.
These are smaller.
So did I just take them all? Because there's not a lot.
No.
Yeah.
Are you gonna put pictures together?
So 50 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bucks. I'm just taking them all. It's not a lot.
So thankfully we found the last batch of frames that we actually needed, and it's actually more than we expected, right? Because how many are you gonna need?
I don't know.
It still depends, but we're gonna take a full batch. This is all they had, and these are actually only 50 cents, so pretty inexpensive for what we're trying to do. So yeah, so this is a good start, and I won't show you until we have the full reveal, so stay tuned for that. But so far we're gonna finish off the shop, or so far we're gonna finish off paying this off, and then we're gonna head home.
Look at the stuff that you want.
All right, so here
The bigger stuff.
is the actual warehouse that we're gonna just search for the items that we want. So yeah, this is the actual warehouse here.